Angel, but you got a halo. When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right here. I really wanna take you there.
Hey guys, it's your girl Curly Mo back at it again with another video today. Another one. Your girl is getting consistent, okay? So during this consistency, I decided to make a quick little tutorial on how I style my natural hair with the sewing. Some people don't get their sewings they don't really get sewings like that no more. They are doing frontals and wigs, but I'm not hip to that. I like to take stuff off. Like this sewing is already driving me crazy because I can't take it out. So yeah, period. I'm gonna just show you how I style my leave out. Don't judge me when I take this bonnet and this scarf off because it is a mess under here, okay? Before we jump into the video, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I don't understand what you're doing. Like, you're watching me. I'm pretty sure you like me. I'm pretty good at this, you know. I think I am. I mean, who wouldn't want to see this bomb personality all the time, okay? I mean, I know I was a little inconsistent, but I'm trying. Tell your friends to subscribe. Tell your auntie to subscribe. Tell your mom, your sister, your brother, your dog, your cat, your fish, your snake, everybody. Tell them to subscribe to my channel. But without further ado, let's get started. In order to complete today's look, you're gonna need some water. You know mine is infused with the Main Choice hair growth oil. Some jam. This is the bomb. Like, I know I love eco, but when it comes to me like slicking something down and like it lasting for a minute, baby, girl, yes. I got some Eben 24-hour edge control. I've never used it, but a lot of people use it. My handy dandy bristle brush that I need to replace. Some mousse, Miss Mayel curly mousse. A paddle brush that has lint in it. Without the lint, guys, without the lint. And my little favorite edge brush that's a little dirty right now. Let's get started. Please don't judge me, okay? Y'all know Mo don't do this. I don't really care. I'll get on camera with my hair not done, okay? I'm not ashamed. I bet I'm gonna look nice afterwards. Don't judge my leave out though. So as you can see, I have a side part sewing. This is my leave out. It's a little long, guys, you know, it's long, but keep in mind Mo did cut her hair, and then I have the hair just twisted because the pattern I have is like loose curl or something like that. Don't really know. I start off by spraying light sprays, spritz and all that, the leave out. My leave out just has a little makeup on it right here, so but it won't look like this. Just rub that water in, because you don't need to do nothing with no dry hair. So now I'm just gonna take my brush, and you see how it's not really like, oh, don't act right. It's not as blended, so that's when the gel comes in. And me using the gel like is so I don't have to really put that much heat on my hair, because I mean, what's the point of doing a big chop if we just gonna put heat on it, you know? That doesn't make sense. And guys, make sure your tracks are showing. I'm gonna take my handy dandy jam. It's not black, it's blue. Just stick my finger in there and get like a generous amount, because we want this to stick. If you got any rings on, take it off because it's gonna get messy. So then what you do is you rub it in as such, and you want to just push it down one there. And now take a bristle brush to stretch it out. Don't worry about the edges, we're gonna get there. the excess gel, I just rub back into the leave out. And then I just keep repeating until it starts forming what I needed to do. I'm gonna take my Eben and my edge brush and just literally scoop it. You can do your edges how you want to, but I'm not really in the mood to be playing with my edges right now. So just a little bit, like 2 little pumps. Rub it together, move this baby down because, baby girl, we want this to stay. We want it to stay. Your handy dandy scarf. Oh. Be careful for it not to mess up your tweaked brows. Let this sit for about 10 minutes. Now tune back into you guys. All right, guys, I'm back. Wait, do y'all like this little woman on a mission shirt? Do you? Cool. If you do, you guys need to check out One Mission. This is not a sponsored video because I'm not there yet, but they are a Black-owned company and they're starting up here in Georgia. So if you're ever at Cumberland Mall or Perimeter Mall, check them out. They're cute, they're affordable. They have Men on a Mission. They have all types of other mission shirts and positive things. So check them out. I like them. I'm always gonna support Black-owned companies. But yeah, back to the video. So it's been a good about 10 minutes. Let's see what we're working with. Please, Jesus, don't let this have messed up my makeup. Oh! We late. This is a heatless blend your leave out with your weave video. That's how I blend my leave out with no heat. If you like this quick little video, thumbs up. If you did it, thumbs up. Comment below on more things you want to see from Mo. And yeah, bye.